In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a saving account in Commonwealth Bank. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend doing this process through your computer on their webpage, but you can also follow this through your phone. You simply have to open up a web browser and go to www.combank.com.au, or you can simply look for the Commonwealth Bank on Google. When you access this page, from the home screen, under the banking category, as you can see over here, or on the top menu, select Bank and Savings Accounts. When you click this option, you will be redirected to the summary page where you can choose See All Saving Options under Saving Accounts and Term Deposits. Choose See All Savings Accounts, and on the next page, you will be able to see all of the individual saving accounts that they offer. I recommend you take your time and you read through all of this page and all of the different accounts individually to see whichever one applies best for you. As you can see, they have a brief description over here, and once you find one of these that satisfies you, click the Open Now button under it, or you can choose Discover and the name of the account to be redirected to the specific page for the account. This is where you will be able to see all of the intricate details of each account. When you are satisfied, like I said, select Open Now. You will get this prompt that's going to ask you if you already bank with Commonwealth Bank or if you are a new customer to the bank. Choose whichever one best applies for you, and regardless of which option you select, you will be prompted to include your credentials to either apply for the bank and have access to the features, or you will simply be redirected to the NetBank website where you can log in using your credentials and, through the help of the instructions presented on screen, open up your savings account. Sadly, I won't be able to show you the process, but as long as you follow your credentials and the instructions on screen, you will be able to open a saving account in the Commonwealth Bank. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a saving account in Commonwealth Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.